In the last video, we said this.
Swap
Next,
this.
we need Xmaxx sledgehammers. Those would be
Yes.
great.
We would get on board with that, Traxxas. And today, our wish has come true. Welcome back to 3x7 Outdoor.
If you aren't already part of the 3x7 Outdoor family, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you do not miss any of our new
those
videos.
bells.
We have the Xmaxx sledgehammers.
It happened.
Guys, I don't know if you know, but it seems like anytime we want something from Traxxas, it just seems to happen. I'm convinced that we're being stalked by Traxxas.
They're like, these are our product idea guys.
Yeah.
Because every time they come up with something, we make lots of money.
We actually thought about making racing arms for the Xmaxx.
And they made them.
They made them. We were like, please make Xmaxx sledgehammers. Guess what?
They made them. It'd be nice if they had reverse lights on the light kits, just instead of lights.
Mm-hmm. And they have reverse lights.
Would you like the American knife?
I would like the American knife. I am American, if you don't know.
Or would you like the Traxxas hobby knife?
I mean, Traxxas hobby knife made in
Somewhere.
Taiwan. Are you ready, guys? Here we go. No, guys, it is a really good knife.
Give me that knife. Give me that knife.
Feel how, like, you need to put a different blade in it. Look at that, though. That is a beautiful, it's black chrome.
I am going to say right off the bat that they do have a very strong similarity to the trenchers. Okay, here we have the original Traxxas Xmaxx tire, the new Sledgehammer tire, and the Proline trencher.
As you can see, the Proline trencher is the biggest one out of all of them. Traxxas original tire being
an 8.0 by 4.0 by 4.0.
The Sledgehammer being
8.4 by 4.3 by 4.0.
And the Proline trencher
a little bit bigger. Here, let's rotate that. 4.57 by 8.6. They don't tell you the rim size. The rim jumps up to like 4 3/4.
So this one's right in the middle. It feels really nice. Of course, they're smaller, but the thing is, this one is way more like, more tender. See, it's
Oh, it
actually
does
more
seem
tender.
tender.
Whereas this one is like,
That's weird.
we are going to have to cover up these holes
Yep.
in here because you don't want any water getting in those.
And that's kind of my debate with going with a Proline. This is a beadlock rim, which is really nice for if you're going in water or mud. You can pop all those screws out and you can take your foam out, wash the mud out, and dry it and get back to fashion again. A nice feature. I wish the Traxxas maybe did that. A beadlock.
It's pretty easy to do the tape, so
It is.
you just gotta remember to do it. Let's measure the Traxxas original Xmaxx one. Here we go. 21.40.
608 grams. Okay, we're gonna throw the trencher on there. We know it's a beast.
34.5. There you go, 979 grams. Sledgehammer, 321.
And this is the gram weight. 633 grams.
633 to
Oh,
608.
it's heavier. Ooh, and it's a heavier tire than the original.
Wait a minute.
The Sledgehammers. We have them on the Haas. We have them on the Max.
And we are going to have them on the Xmaxx.
Well, that's enough talking. Let's get these tires on and get outside.
You know how we said not to forget to seal them? We forgot to seal them. There's 2 holes inside the tire. Right there. Put the tape right over it. Easy enough.
And then we just take this tool and poke several holes right in the tread.
You may be scared to do it, but just trust. Easy. Now, we can get this one on there. Look at that. The tires are smaller, but I kind of like the look. It looks more agile.
Easiest body in the world to get on and off.
Do the rustler. Do the rustler.
Do you want to see that? For our viewing audience. Voila.
Okay. Put on the Xmaxx body.
Xmaxx body on. Done.
Now put on the rest of their body.
Okay. It's a little harder. I have to look. Oh, I got it.
I didn't know that.
It's off and the screw is still in it. That's ridiculous.
Know that. I would have fixed that.
This is the extra heavy duty body from Traxxas, which we destroyed in one jump.
It has been glued and might be indestructible.
It could be. We glued it, really glued it. I guess since we bring that up, this is another thing I wanted to bring to people's attention. Heavy duty slash body to put on, Xmaxx body. And we have the Proline Brute, Indestructible Brute. There's two different Brutes if you go online and look. There's a Brute body and then there's this indestructible one. And I was talking with somebody at the hobby shop the other day and he wanted to know more about that. So I thought we should measure and give you an idea of the thicknesses of these bodies quickly.
Traxxas RC body. That's it. 0.73. Measure this one. That is thick. 1.63. So that's almost a millimeter.
This is in millimeters.
Yeah, that's a millimeter difference.
We put that rake on it and strap it down as tight as you can with zip ties and everything, and we prep the track with it. If you did that to a regular Xmaxx body, it would just crush it.
This thing is about 13 years old.
And this is the original body. I've never changed it.
And we wonder if just because it's older, maybe the thickness is better.
Has changed.
0.64, so it's about the same. Well, this video isn't about bodies, it's about the Sledgehammer, so let's get on. We are outside. It is a super nice day out. It's 25 degrees Fahrenheit, which is -4 Celsius. We're
Not
glad
bad
about that. Maybe some people don't think it is, but like, go run shirtless around town. You know,
yeah.
Great day. Yeah.
If you were from Florida, you'd be frozen to the core, to the coal.
You're not strong enough for the 3x7 family. I'm kidding.
Should I test this Xmaxx out right off the bat?
We'll move the Hasi out of the way. I think you should test her out right there.
All the fans are working good.
Alrighty, right. Sledgehammer test on the Xmaxx. 3, 2, 1, go. I feel like you can get up more speed.
Wow.
I feel like acceleration is better. Do you think the Sledgehammers are nice?
So far, but let's drive it through some snow. This will just crawl through this, won't it? Yeah. Oh, she might float on top if she doesn't break.
Deep. But the thing is, oh, that was some deep stuff right there, and not even trying. Okay.
I'm gonna turn around.
Oh, he went backwards. He almost got stuck. Okay, pretty good, pretty good. No, but there's not much like deep stuff. The ditch.
The ditch?
Let's go. 3,
okay.
2, 1, go. Oh, that's kind of deep. It slowed you down a little bit. Oh man.
What?
And you're going fast.
What? Wow, look at that.
That was pretty
Normally
nice.
that would have flipped over.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try to go in here. Here we go. Oh.
It's not tree proof. That was pretty good. It got itself out of that. Yeah, she flipped.
I'm still going.
You came out of that?
I'm still going. That's how good I am. That's why.
That's why we're 3x7 outdoor.
Do that cool trick.
Nope.
No, I don't think. We used the road's too slippery. Didn't work.
Wide Haas kit come out?
I'm not doing anything. And it's just leaving.
Just tick the throttle.
Watch it just leave.
Huh.
Bye.
See ya.
That was slick. That was slick right there.
Were you slicking it
Didn't
up?
even see. Around the corner. The Haas, the Max, or the Xmaxx. You just like drove and then you spun out.
Pretty nice.
%.
50% power.
Probably the ESC itself. So the ESC is glitching out. The ESC is the speed controller and it's controlling the speed. And if it's not going the speed that it's supposed to go, then it's glitching out.
Looks like we got an ESC problem.
Oh! Oh! That was awesome. Officially stuck. Thanks. What's your final take on those Xmaxx Sledgehammers?
I'll tell you what, this thing is floating on the snow, and this thing's not light. You remember how much it weighs?
About 26 pounds.
Going through the snow, you don't need paddle tires. It's pretty mint.
Yeah, but with that, we'll see you in the studio. That was an awesome video, wasn't it?
It sure was.
We put the Xmaxx Sledgehammers on, and they turned out to be quite beastly.
I mean, the proof is in the video. Like 77748.
That is the part number for these.
They do come in different colors. You can get green rims and orange rims, I think.
Mm-hmm. I do personally think that this black chrome looks pretty sweet.
Yeah, a little more class to the vehicle.
This might sound weird, but slash sledgehammers.
It could be a thing.
It could be a thing because the slash paddle tires are super thin and they kind of don't work in the snow as well as maybe sledgehammers. There's rub. So if you could make a little bit wider tires for the slash that are sledgehammer, like all these knobs,
mint.
We're buying them. Already, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you do not miss any of our premieres. Yeah, we premiere every Sunday morning Central Time. We chat with you in the live chat, so go ahead and if you don't miss it, we might respond to your comment. That about does it. It's time to say 3x7 Outdoors signing out. So 3x7 Outdoors signing out.
Bye for now.